Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a colorful series. So in my Ipsy bag I got this really beautiful eyeshadow called Alien Lovechild by Jolli Cosmetics, and so I really alright, so the star of the show for today, is this one, this color. And please don't mind my nails. I know I need a fill and they look terrible. And this is what it looks like. And show you a little quick swatch. That's what it looks like. This came in my Ipsy bag for the month. It's by Jolli Cosmetics and it is called Alien Lovechild. That's going to be the star of the show, and that's going to go over my lid. And I've been tossing back and forth between what should I do for the transition and the outer crease, because I don't want to take too much focus away from the lid color. So I think I'm going to go in with the Morphe Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill palette, which looks like this. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And so I think I'm going to go in with these two colors. I think I'm going to swap them. I think I'm going to mix them is what I meant to say. I don't have like a more toned down purple, which would be ideal for my transition color. I don't think I have that in my possession. So that's the next best thing. So let's get started and stop all the talking.
All right, first we're going to go in with that purple shade. Has a little shimmer to it, and this is going to be my transition color. And I'm going to take some time blending this in because I really want to deepen up my crease. And so I'm just going back and forth between the two blending brushes from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection. As always, I go in with a smaller blending brush first to apply the color and blend it out. And then I go in with a larger blending brush after that to cover more surface area and to blend it out even more.
I know y'all are like, what happened? So my battery died. No shocker there. And I know you're probably like, okay, we did all that work and you just covered it up with concealer. I did. That wasn't the way I was going. I will admit it wasn't, but it just went and I just went with it. So anyways, what I'm doing now is I'm mimicking all of that work that I just did, and I'm applying this color right here, this dark color. My nails look horrible. I'm applying that with an eyeshadow brush. I'm packing it on the outer V like I did here, and I'm just basically, I'm coloring. I'm filling in. I cut my crease with the concealer brush and also with the eyeliner brush to get that precise line. And the first thing I did, you've seen me done this in previous videos, but you basically apply a glop of concealer, preferably on the lower part of your lid, and then you just look up, and then wherever the concealer touches, you take that eyeliner brush and precisely just outline that crease in the shape of your eye. So that's what I did off camera. So I did it to both eyes. I've already filled in the outer V of this one. Just colored in following the line and where I colored in. And I'm just going to do the same thing over here, show you how to do it. And before, this is very important, before you apply your eyeshadow, not unless this is what you're going for, apply a translucent powder directly over that concealer to set it. You will notice that the concealer, of course, is sticky. And whatever you put on top of it, like eyeshadow, is going to stick. It's going to adhere to that concealer and stay where it is. So applying a translucent powder, you don't have to worry about like colors sticking where you don't want them to stick. Translucent, you can't see it. So and for that, I use the Kat Von D translucent powder. So now I'm going to go into my other eye. I'm going to show you how to color in the outer V, and then we're going to apply the lid color.
So as I stated, I'm going to be going in with the eyeshadow brush and applying that deep blue, royal blue purple color into my outer V only. Packing on with the eyeshadow brush because I really want to get it just on the outer V and concentrate only on that area. And it's basically coloring in. You know how you outline the subject or the thing or the place that you're coloring in your coloring book when you were younger, and then, or at least that's the way I used to color. I outlined it first and then I filled it in. So that's what I'm doing here. I already outlined my crease and I'm just coloring in the outer V portion with an eyeshadow brush, and that's it. Next, I'm going to go on with the star of the show, which is the Space Case Cosmetics Alien Lovechild eyeshadow. This was a really gorgeous eyeshadow. It did take me some time to really get the full color payout that I wanted to, and you'll see me, I'm trying to determine in these clips whether it's better to apply with the eyeshadow brush or my finger. With some glitters and some shimmers, they apply better with your finger, so I wanted to try it both ways to see which one I like better, and I didn't really notice a huge difference. Usually I do, but I didn't this time. So I'm just going back and forth, packing it on, because I really wanted to see the color that I see in the eyeshadow on my eyelid. It might have helped if I would have put a white base down instead of a skin tone concealer, and the white base would have brought the color out even more. Anyways, moving on to foundation. Going in with my Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in medium, and I'm applying it with my foundation brush first and then blending it out with my Makeup Addiction sponge. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm using this to highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, middle of my forehead, and my chin. This was yet another clip that got lost. I don't know where it went, but anyways, I blended out my concealer with my Makeup Addiction sponge as well as my contour. Next up is setting it. And now I'm going in with my Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm setting that highlight. Again, I'm sorry, I lost the clip where I was blending out my concealer and my contour. I'm not sure where it went, but I apologize. And next, I'm going to set my contour, my liquid contour that I placed on the face with my True and Blue Luscious Cosmetics Matte Drama Palette. Here I am sharpening up that contour with the Kat Von D translucent powder, and then I'm going in with my Luscious Cosmetics, there we go, I caught up, Matte Drama Palette, and I'm using the lighter of the two darker shades to set my contour with a contour brush. Next, Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite face brushes, and it is the Morphe MB3 brush. I'm blending out that translucent powder and also blending out that contour color just a bit. Now, normally I don't do this, but I usually don't contour my nose simply because I think it's like a 50-50 with me. Half the time it turns out the way I want it to, half the time it doesn't. So this is something that I'm still perfecting, but I decided to do it today and film it today, and I actually liked how it came out. So I went down the bridge of my nose. I believe it's like a really small, it looks like a really small contour brush. And I'm going down both sides of my nose to draw a line, and then also blending it out so it doesn't appear like a harsh line. Then I went in with my translucent powder and I sharpened up the outline, and then I went down the bridge of my nose with the powder as well to sharpen up the outline. So you want to make sure that you really blend out that contour, and you want to set it as well with the translucent powder to just sharpen up the contour even more, but you don't want it to be harsh. Next, I went in with my Pacifica Beauty Tenderhearted blush, and then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, who thought I was going to be talking this long, and Amrezy collab highlighter. I've been loving this really lately. When I first got it, I loved the way it looked in the palette, but it didn't like pop on me at first, but I've been loving it lately. It looks different now. So now I'm going in with my World Lip Liner by MAC Cosmetics after I let my hair out and shake it a bit. And then I'm going in with another goodie that I got in my Ipsy monthly bag. It's by Lilly Cosmetics, I believe, and it was a liquid lip color that I really liked. This is not something that I would normally wear on an everyday basis, but I figured these two colors, the color on my eyes and this color on my lips, kind of complemented each other. And so now I'm going with the Man Eater mascara, and I'm using this strictly for my lower lash line. And now this is my first time trying it, and I can't believe I'm still talking. I didn't take a break. I really like that mascara specifically for the lower lash line because it's very gentle. And I believe that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye. Oh, and I show you just really quickly what I do when I take my pineapple out of my hair. This is typically what my mornings look like. I fluff it around with my hair, smooth it down, smooth the edges down with a bobby pin, and I'm good to go.